Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I cut my layered hair at home. This is pretty much how my hair looks at this point, as I haven't had a haircut since a long time. So to start off, all you need is a pair of scissors, a hairband and a hairbrush. So now I'm gonna just start combing my hair all through to make sure there are no tangles in my hair, and I'm gonna just brush through all my hair upside down. As you can see, I'm going to just put all my hair in a ponytail, make sure there are no tangles and all the hair are being covered in one ponytail upside down. Now as you can see, all my hair is in front of me, so it's easy for me to cut my hair. And now I'm going to just grab the ponytail and try and cut only 1 inch at a time. This is going to make sure that I'm gonna have the length I want, and make sure that you're not cutting your hair straight. It's always good to cut in a zigzag way so that it gives you a natural look. Trimming my hair regularly this way is actually helping me getting rid of all the frizzy and hair and split ends. And now you can see we are done with the first step, and I'm already actually having long layers. Now I'm gonna get to the second step, where I'm going to grab my half of the hair from the top of my ears, and you can see I have let my bottom part of my hair as it is, and I'm gonna grab the top part into a ponytail as we did last time. Now here all my hair, half of my hair is in front of my face. I'm gonna again cut 1 inch at this point. This is actually going to give me the second set of layers, because by each step I'm gonna cut only 1 inch at a time. So you can see I'm gonna get rid of all my split ends, all my frizzy hair in this way, and I'm gonna get the layers. As you can see, I have already got some layers. More steps you take, more deeper layers you can get. So I'm going to show you the third step as well. Now here we are going to start the third step, when I'm going to take my hair from the top part, little above the last part we took from the top of the ears. So this part is going to be the last. You can also take the fourth step if you want. As I said, more steps you take, deeper layers you get. Now you can see here again I'm cutting another 1 inch of my hair in a zigzag way, and this is going to give me a natural haircut. So now I'm going to show you the end result. My hair is being trimmed all over in 3 steps and 3 layers. I really love the way it actually turns out, because I definitely go to salons if I want to have a different look or a different style, but for a routine haircut and routine trimming of my hair, I really love to do it on my own, as I can have the length I want and the layers the way I want. I guess this is the easiest way I have figured out to cut my hair at home. You're gonna get perfect layers. As you can see, each layer has equal length at both sides, and this is pretty much my haircut routine. I hope you all enjoyed this. I really love the way my hair turns out to be. Once again, thank you so much for all the love you have shown to my channel. I'm really amazed to see that my YouTube family has grown to more than 50,000 subscribers. I'm really thankful. I'm soon gonna get back to you with a lot of interesting videos. Till then, see you next time.